Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV's Celebrity Scoop. Tracy Chapman wins 450k lawsuit over Nicki Minaj after she claimed she sampled the verse from her song in one of her songs she did. Hi again and welcome. When we return, we have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. We ask you please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities. Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV's Celebrity Scoop, where Tracy Chapman is actually counting some money right now after she filed a lawsuit against rap sensation and Caribbean star Nicki Minaj over copyright infringement claim recently. Now the court has awarded Tracy Chapman 450,000 US dollars after it was stated that Nicki Minaj sampled a song, Sorry, on her upcoming album, which was left off her album but was leaked on the internet. So we're going to bring you up to date with the latest that we have to bring to you in relation to this story. But when it comes on to copyright infringement, this is a very serious situation, and we have seen a number of our local stars as well filing lawsuit recently, and I believe Florigan was one of those individuals that filed a lawsuit against a popular international superstar recently, which was settled outside of the courts as well. So we're going to bring you up to date with the latest that we have to bring to you right now, right here on Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos on this platform. Sorry, a Nicki Minaj song that samples Tracy Chapman, Baby Can I Hold You, was left off the rapper's 2018 album but leaked to radio and internet, and the single was successfully sued for copyright infringement by Tracy Chapman. Nicki Minaj really wanted to sample Tracy Chapman on her last album when making the 2018 Queens. Nicki Minaj reached out to Chapman seeking approval to sample the singer's Baby Can I Hold You, but Chapman refused. The album was released without the song Sorry, but the song was actually leaked online, which then led to a lawsuit being filed by Tracy Chapman, which was settled at 450,000 US dollars. Nicki Minaj is actually sorry right now, and her apology will worth 450k. The hip-hop star's offer of judgment was accepted by the songwriter Tracy Chapman, who claimed in a lawsuit 2 years ago that Nicki Minaj took her work without her permission. According to documents filed in the California Federal Central District Court on Thursday, Chapman has accepted Nicki Minaj's offer and will receive 450,000 US dollars. The era of contention was an issue of a song Sorry, a collaboration with Nas, which used both the vocal lyrics and the melody from the song Baby Can I Hold You, a song Tracy Chapman released in 1998. The arguments mean that this will no longer be going to trial after a settlement was reached. Nicki Minaj's song was never officially released, but it had been played on the radio by celebrity disc jockey Master Funk Flex on New York radio station Hot 97. Chapman stated that Nicki Minaj had asked for permission to use the song, but she refused. Nicki Minaj argued in her defense that Sorry, even without Chapman's blessing, was protected by the fair use doctrine. That is an exception to copyright law that allows artists to borrow copyrighted material under certain conditions, the newspaper reported. On summary judgment, U.S. District Court Judge Virginia Phillips ruled that Nicki Minaj had filed for fair use for a right to use the song in her studio to enable musical experimentation, according to a report. Nicki Minaj opted instead to offer a settlement instead of it going to court, which Chapman agreed to. In a statement on Friday, Chapman said that she was pleased with the settlement adding that it was affirmed that artists' rights are protected by law and should be respected by other artists. Nicki Minaj's attorney has stated that he only settled for one reason outside the courts, and because it would cost too much money for this to go to trial. You can just drop it in the comment section though, let me know how you feel about this story. And it is not the first time we've heard about copyright infringement for people sampling other people's song in their own personal work. So let me know how you feel about this one, and let me know how you feel about the settlement that was agreed on. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and guess what? We're out for this one. Peace out and bless.